We know, see, he been drinking our white venom for a minute now. See, some of the strongest white venom they like to use on us is that white woman. That's one of their biggest weapons they use on us, and they've been using it on us. They ain't just start with Shay. See what I'm saying? In fact, when you come into any form of money and success, they prefer you to be with a white woman. It's a fact. They don't want you with no black woman. No. That's black family. We don't want that. We want the interracial because they understand the genetics. We gods. Aboriginal beings. They want to mix that genetic. They want to mix their seed with our seed so that they can give their species a more chance at life on this realm. That's why back in the 60s, we thought we won integration battle. No, we didn't win shit. They recognize, because they are Zeus's creation, they recognize, if we do not integrate, they didn't know this. Why do you think they was raping us when they first came to our planet? When they first entered our planet through portals and causes announcements, they started raping us then. When the Moors started having sex with the human beings in the caves, after that moment, they started raping us when they was conquering us then. This ain't just start with no sex, with no interracial relationships being signed off on. You know, that whole picture they painted about, white folks not wanting black men to be with white women and white women to be with black men, that's BS. That was just a front. They used the pawns, the poor whites as the pawns to push that agenda. But I'm talking about the big dogs, the enemy that we are fighting against, the white supremacists, the Satanists that are helping Zeus to run this realm. They have always needed to mix with our breed or they will not exist. They cannot exist on this realm of Atlantis, on this planet Katt, a.k.a. Earth, without mixing with the Aboriginal being. Without mixing with us, their entire species, the entire Caucasian race would die off in 50 years. They have to mix with us to extend their life. They have to have a certain amount of mix with us. This is why, because of the genetics, they can't even take the sun. You get what I'm saying? So when you take the God and you mix it with the human being, you get the demigod. And now their genes lives on through that child. They want it to be a whole bunch of little mulatto babies. That's what they want. So that you can't tell the difference anymore. Look at all your big leaders of Nation of Islam. Mulatto. Dr. York said this years ago. And other great speakers. Dr. Ben. Elijah Muhammad, Malcolm X, Farrakhan, a lot of them are mulatto. Well, I ain't gonna say mulatto, but lighter skinned gods. Because if they don't want that dark skin in position, you'll never see nobody dark skin run the Nation of Islam. That's by design. W.D. Farad himself was an actual white man. The one who they say started the Nation of Islam. The picture they showed, that's a Caucasian. I had a team pull the picture up for you. So I'm saying, the real W.D. Farad was assassinated while in prison. This is a fact, but I will expound upon this later. Right? You look at all your top groups, the most famous groups since the 60s, 70s have always had light-skinned black people in them. That's by design. They don't like that darkness. They don't like that neuromelanin. They don't like that carbon. If they do got to put somebody black, they're going to try to find the lightest skin one they can get right there. Look who the face of the NBA. LeBron got some black in him, but Steph Curry right there with him. Look at Steph. Who the face of the NFL? Patrick Mahomes. Look at Patrick Mahomes. You think that's an accident? That's by design. Remember back in the late 90s and 2000s, who was the face of baseball? Derek Jeter. Mulatto. Black and white. See what I'm saying? Like, so, this is by design. Michael Jackson was the king of pop. They made him light in his own damn skin. See what I'm saying? Who the biggest rapper? It ain't Kendrick. It's going to be Drake. What is Drake? So I'm trying to show y'all something that you might not want to see, but this is what's going on. It's been going on. This is all a part of that white venom. So they understand that dynamic. They going to keep themselves at the front of everything. Right? This is what you call white supremacy. If they can't put one of their own right there, they're going to have one of theirs that was mixed with our own right there. Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.